Hey, Mark the Meerkat, suffering here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the GrokStar Trading Room, a trader, and perhaps your future mentor. Well, here's the trade that we had this morning on a stock that was flying high, Delta, DAL. And it had already opened up here, and then it took off here in the morning and right up to the R1 line. Now, what's an R1, R2 line? It's if you have pivot lines on your charting, you can turn them on. And this one actually honored that, came right up to the 1560 area there, to the R1, and then did a bull pullback. If you want to know more about what a bull pullback is, or a pullback buy, freeonlinetradingeducation.com and go to our free chart school. And go to pullback buy, also known as a bull pullback. Here's a description of it, and then here's a picture of it, where it runs up, pulls back, and starts to go around like this, and that is a bullish formation. I guess that's why we call it a bull pullback, right? And here you can also see it's an increasing volume now on the uptrend here. So I told folks if it breaks this R1 line, we wanted it to be long, so we put an order just above that. Let's see what happened next. Boom, I'm now in at $16.65. I am long DAL, Delta. Alrighty, let me pull this down a little bit and see what happened next. And then it just based for a little while and then took off again. And if you notice, it's not closing here below the 8 EMA, and so I'm keep my stop moving just under that 8 EMA, and then it came all the way up here to 1610, and then pulled down hard and did close below that line, and I'm out at $15.93 for 1.7% in 17 minutes. That was based on that bull pullback. You never know how far it's going to go. Now the market was just creeping up very slowly here. And we did try again. Here is another bull pullback for me, but this $16 and this R2, which is at 1604, were acting as resistance. It just did not want to go above it. Again, the general market was just creeping up slowly, a couple points every once in a while. And look at that. Even the volume dropped way down here. And then suddenly it started to kick up here. And then it pulled back. Right here, on this bull pullback here, I did go long when it broke again above that 1604 R2 line, and I am long at 1604. I'm sorry, I am long at 1606. Here we go, and boom, 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 and then right up to that 850 here was acting as resistance on this high base, and then boom, look at that. Now we're going on up here beyond the R3, and it pulled back hard. Again, I'm using this 8 EMA as my stop. And I had my stop there, and when it closed below, it got me out at $16.46 for 2.6% in 18 minutes. So if we take a look here, what happened next, this thing just did keep creeping up, and we kept trading it. So between these two trades, where I was long here and got out here, and then long again on this bull pullback and out here, was for a total of 4.3% with a total trading time of 35 minutes. These are some of the trades that we're doing in our GrokStar Trading Room, but if you are still learning how to trade and you'd like to know more information about what trading is exactly, well, we have a new service here. Again, it's free of charge. Just go to our website again, and this is your trading education can start now. Just put your name and email address in here, and we'll send you 6 lessons. They all last about 30 to 40 minutes each, and we'll present to you some of the basics about trading and what you can do for you. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat suffering. Just remember that trading with emotions can kill you. So trade only with composure. Trade well.